Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to go over our syllabus for just a little bit. So anyways, how you access it is, I don't know, I just have a habit of clicking home and then go to your course. There you go. And then to get our syllabus, you just click Concourse, and then it pulls up some elements of our course. So anyways, for the most part, it's online. Well, it's actually hybrid. Here is the days we meet. So for the most part, it's online, and then we do meet in person these dates. September 17th, then we meet from 8:10 to 10 o'clock at the high school. Here is my phone number, and when we meet for office hours, this is the Zoom link that we would go to. Uh, Student learning outcomes, I am paid to teach you these skills. And so by the end of the course, you should be very skilled in all of these because I actually do try to teach you some quality and quality content. So uh, now, some of these activities that we do are scaffolding you to get to this point. But for the most part, I do not give busy work. Every single assignment is geared to meet any of these outcomes. And if ever you wonder, like, what is she doing this for? Why do we have to do this? Just ask me politely, hey, Professor Cost, just can you tell me what purpose this serves? No problem. I would be happy to tell you. You deserve to know. We do have this book. It is called Let's Talk, and it's awesome. And the chapters are short, the examples are phenomenal, and the essays are actually very interesting. So get this out because we'll be using it this week. If you don't have it, talk to your college liaison. These are all the assignments we will be doing throughout this course. So if ever you wonder, how many essays or what else are we going to do? So reading apprenticeship, that's the annotations. You're going to do 2 a week till the end of, well, just for 5 weeks. And then we have 10 class discussions. We have 5 article reflections. We get those taken care of right away, first 5 weeks of our course. We have 3 essays. We will be doing a cemetery project. I anticipate doing that at our October meeting where we go to the Portland City Cemetery. Spruce ups, I'll explain those in the next video, and then these are supportive writing assignments that we do throughout the semester. You've already done 2 of them, and then you'll do another 2 this week. Course policies, under that are resources. LCC offers so many resources to help you be a phenomenal student. So check them out. Maybe you might be stressed out. Counseling is free. Writing Center, they help you with your writing, either from the brainstorm session all the way to polishing. Tutoring, it's not just if you need help. It's like, I want to go from a C to an A, or I want to go from a B to an A. Veterans, if you're a veteran, or maybe you want to be a veteran, maybe you're moving into the military, which would be phenomenal. Clubs, there's a ton of clubs you can be involved in. Research shows that students who are involved are hugely more successful in college than those who are not involved. And even if by the time you get into college, you're eligible for work study or you just get a job on campus, again, having a job on campus is another factor of huge academic success. So keep that in mind. Maybe you think you have a disability. You don't even know how many quote unquote disabilities that they count toward allowing you to have some type of accommodation. Maybe you're in the foster care system, they offer grants. Fitness center, again, if you're stressed out, if you just want to feel better about yourself, there's a listing of jobs. Academic coaches, those people are phenomenal. They they teach you test taking skills, study skills, and gosh, there's a third one. Test taking, study, shoot, what was the third test? Time management, that's what it is. And then maybe you want even some scholarships. Extra credit, I do give extra credit. If I see a student going above and beyond what an assignment requires, you get extra credit. And I've already given it. So you don't even know what how come the score is more? I found that you did above and beyond. Late policy. So we do have due dates, and there is a grace period for 1 week. After that 1 week, the assignment is closed, and so you can't access it anymore. But you can do the assignment late up to 1 week without penalty. Log in every day. Please, 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 please log in every day. And also, don't do my assignments at the last minute. In college, you'll find that you have to do them in chunks way before the assignment is even due. It's not just do a worksheet and you're done. You really, these take some time. As you've noticed with the article reflections, you have to take time to read. You have to take time to annotate. You have to take time to print them out. Then you got to take time to read the next article. Then you got to take time to write a draft of the article reflection. Then you got to take time to spruce it up. And that's just like 2 assignments, you know? So pace it out ahead of time. And the rest of this is standard stuff. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up about the syllabus.